Hello everyone, my name is Moji. You're watching a Bitcoin Bubble News channel. From grade school on, you have a 6-month freedom discussion every 3 years. Because as more people join in, that will change, right? Like I'm going to spend all my money and my whole life on this. I am going to make $1 billion in Bitcoin. That's kind of my goal. That's how much I want to make. I'm going to put every bit back into fixing this train wreck. That's the only reason I want this to make me rich. I would just be quiet if not. But the way I do things, I'm like, dude, I'm in when I walk into a room. Let's go. I need more. I want to take part more. I'd like to meet more people. Because it's fun for me. It's kind of cool. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has the potential to change many fields, especially the tech industry. Bitcoin uses blockchain technology to get rid of middlemen and trusted organizations from networks, which opens the door to new economic activities. Gary Cardsone, a financial expert and crypto enthusiast, talks about why Bitcoin is a good investment right now in his most recent video interview. He emphasizes that Bitcoin has the ability to guarantee financial freedom. Cardsone is the co-founder and CEO of Chargebacks 911. He has worked in energy, real estate, capital projects, and e-commerce for more than 30 years. He talks about how Bitcoin is a good long-term store of value because it has a limited quantity, doesn't go down in value, and can't be changed by the government. Because of these factors, Bitcoin is a popular choice among investors wanting a decentralized asset. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are appealing to people who are worried about bank failures, hyperinflation, and other terrible events because they can't be censored and cause prices to fall. This makes them even more appealing as investment choices. You can watch parts of the talk to learn more about what Gary Cardsone said to Mr. M. If you want to see more videos like this, please like this one, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post alerts. Have fun with the movie. It seems like the ride will stay rough because too many strange people are keeping really cheap Bitcoin. When I say weird, I mean I don't think they've stepped into the real world yet, and I'd love to meet all of them. Even though I'm not their enemy, I hear that I'm not going to sell my Bitcoin ever. I believe I can change people's minds about that in 15 minutes. It's not cool that you don't want to sell your Bitcoin. I need $1 billion to fight these guys, bro. Let's say you have $400 million. Give me a call, and I'll show you how to make a lot of money. A bunch of rich people are there. You know, I take a private jet to Washington, D.C. with a few other people and Kathy Woods. We can get people to agree with us if we give them some money. Let them do what we don't want them to do. You need to see the enemy. Okay, the enemy is really good at this game because we can just sit there and say, I'm holding on to my Bitcoin, I'm staying in a third world country that doesn't have air conditioning or 2G. I'm free. You feel like your $400 million isn't doing anything. You're not making society better. Oh, okay, cool. You ain't doing any. It would be great to live in El Salvador. That seems like a great test. But let's do it by moving to Turkey. The Turks need Bitcoin. I believe Turkey goes to. I've been saying for 1.5 years that Turkey is going to add Bitcoin to its books. Why? Since the guy is screwed. He's in the middle of Storm Alley. He's kind of NATO's little gay, but he needs all the energy from Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. He doesn't really do it. He's in a really strange place, right? He can't get out from any direction. The United Kingdom is in the same situation. A good 40% to 50% of people go to work every day just to get that guy out of their house. Okay, so COVID was a bother. It looks like people are married. I don't care how cool you two are together. But I also don't hang out with anyone 24 hours a day. It's hard enough to be alone for 24 hours a day. Okay, I've got enough small things to handle. But to get back to the freedom thing, you're laughing and having fun in a game. This has always seemed like a game to me. I mean, the other day I asked my brother, hey bro, if we went back in time, would you just chase the money or just do what you do? It was clear that he was going after the money. I'd work on Wall Street. I wouldn't have done what I did. When it comes to dealing in Bitcoin, Gary Cardsone stresses how important it is to be smart, strategic, and well-informed. He also tells people to think carefully about their investments and act in a way that fits with their values and goals. With cryptocurrency, you can own and control your own assets, which makes you feel free. Because there are no agents in cryptocurrency like there are in traditional investments, it does the job better and costs less. With cryptocurrency, you can trade in a global market that has no limits, no borders, and is open 7 days a week. If you want to be a serious gamer, you should have a lot of coin. However, some people don't know how useful cryptocurrency can be. They think it's worth it to be a go-between and charge for connections. But this isn't true. Blockchain technology will make it so that middlemen can't make money in the system anymore, so they will have to leave. Using cryptocurrencies can help you diversify your investments and make a lot of money. When you buy in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, you can spread out your risk and maybe get bigger returns than with other types of investments. It is a safer investment than traditional assets because all transactions are publicly recorded and safe. With Bitcoin, you can own your things directly and trade on a global market. Here are some more clips from the talk with Gary Cardone that will help us learn more. Anyway, you need a new job. If you can't explain what your company does, that makes it valuable. Also, the worth isn't being a go-between and getting paid a fee, it's getting paid for an introduction. That doesn't have worth. That is a parasite and will go away. There will be no more middle guys. There will be no brokers left in the system, blockchain or not. This is because the economics will force them out. We can't pay for it anymore. Those are cool things. What does freedom mean? Are you free? What's the value I bring? In addition, what does the company I work for offer? If you aren't sure about those last two answers, you need a new job, a new role, a new theater where you can dress up and play a part in this act we call life on Earth. Wow, that's just a play, man. It's fine that way. To go back to the original point, most people shouldn't run their own companies. You can get rich, even if you don't have your own business. I just sold a house for $2.5 million and used the money to buy Bitcoin. This question will lead to a lot of new opportunities. Men who like to be in charge should ask their wives what they think about investing in Bitcoin when they get home. Hey man, stop it. Why do you want to ask someone who doesn't know anything about big business? How much a Bitcoin is worth or if you should do it? Why would you ask someone who doesn't know anything about business? She can't vote. My wife doesn't have a say in the money theory. I don't ask her. I no longer have one though. I don't ask her. I don't ask her what she thinks. It's not her job. It is my area. I'll have to fix it if I mess it up. I'm not telling you not to go bet though. A lot of you low-life players are telling your wives that you're traders but not making any money. Okay, I'd love to talk to you guys on the phone because trading $12,000 and $50 spreads isn't making you any money. Maybe you should try trading in Dubai where taxes aren't charged. But if you're in the US and listening to Iran, trade Meki change. He doesn't have to worry about taxes or the law in any way. But a member of the United States will have to pay 42% in taxes on that trade. To even things out with Rand, he needs to double Rand's stand. Do you see what's going on? People don't even get it. There's so much to do. The part about freedom will really help make things clear. Bitcoin works on a decentralized network, while fiat currencies are controlled by central banks and can be affected by political choices. This decentralization can protect people and groups from the risks that come with fiat currencies, like their instability and ease of manipulation. MicroStrategy's continued spending shows that Bitcoin can be a safer and more independent way to handle money. Gary Cardone showed that Bitcoin's independence and durability make it a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom by letting people avoid the risks that come with standard financial systems. What do you think about this talk now that it's over? Do you agree with Gary Cardone's idea of freedom? Feel free to share your ideas in the space below. Please share this movie and click the like button. Thanks for seeing. Don't forget to sign up.